Okay, Roger, so just here outside Cashel, and you're a Fianna Fáil councillor, and you've made your views known that you're going to be voting no in the referendum next month. Why so?
That's right, Dara. Firstly, when the referendum was mooted, it was mooted as an equality referendum. This is not an issue of equality. It's an issue of the redefinition of marriage. The marriage is defined as a union or a contract between a man and a woman, and this redefines marriage. And always to it on those grounds.
Is it mostly to do with the term marriage? Will you have any opposition to, for instance, extending many more rights into the civil partnership?
If they called it by another name, extended rights to civil partnership, as they said, would be the correct thing to do and the correct way to deal with the issue. And this, whether passed or not, is going to do absolutely nothing for the gay community. It's not going to help them in any way. It's no panacea for them. And like as I said to you earlier when we were talking, the number of people that I have met on both sides of the debate were afraid to publicly enunciate whether they're yes or no. It surprised me because they're getting attacked for being yes and attacked for being no. So it is a divisive matter, I suppose, and people have various opinions on it. That's my view.
And just finally, what do you think the implications would be if there is a yes vote? How do you see things panning out in a year's time, say?
Well, if the Minister for Justice came out in the morning and said that everybody who was in the reserves would